A lot of percent questions here are usually like, what's 15% of 50? Or like, 3 is 10% of what number? But this one actually doesn't give you the percent. It says 9 is what percent of 60. So in this case, if you're thinking about this, you're really just dealing with the fraction and moving it into the decimal and then into the percent form. Now, there are a lot of ways you could do this with just like rounding off and knowing like, oh, well, 9 is what percent of 60? Well, we know 6 is 10% of it, so it's going to be higher than that, so A's out. But I want to show you the long way of like what happens when you actually want to find a percent when you have the two numbers. So we're dealing with 9 is what percent of 60? So 9 divided by the 60. We're just going to reduce that right off the bat to keep it easy. So if I divide both the top and bottom by 3, I'm going to get 3 over 20. Now, this is actually a long division question, so we're going to do 20 divides 3. And right off the bat, we need to put that 0 there so that we can see this. It'll go into this guy one time, and we'd put the 20 here, and we'd subtract, so 30 minus that 20 is going to give me 10. And then we bring down another 0, and now we have 100. So 20 goes into 100 how many times? Well, 20 goes into 100 5 times, and that gives us exactly 100, so we're done with the long division. So that means that this is actually 0.15, also known as 15%.